Starting with a primer, prime your face really well so that your base gets set on your face and does not mess up. For creating base, firstly I am applying a pan stick from the brand Coloressence. After that, I am blending it well with a beauty blender. After that, I am applying a cream foundation of brand APK. Firstly, I am applying it under eyes and cheeks because we need to brighten up the face. Slowly, we are gonna add up and build up the foundation for more coverage. Don't forget to apply it in neck and ears. Blend it all very well. Now, to set the foundation, I am applying banana powder of the brand ADS. Make sure you apply it all over your face and neck. I have taken a powder brush to apply it. To define the face, I am using contour powder of brand Sugar. I am using a contour brush to apply it. We need to do dramatic contouring so that it can be visible from the stage. To define the nose, I am applying it with my fingers and then dusting the excess with a brush. For my eyebrows, I am applying black gel liner from the brand UR Beauty. Make sure you elongate your brows and make it dark. After that, I am applying golden highlighter just below and above my brow bone and a little amount on my upper lips. Taking a brown shade, I am applying the eyeshadow on the outer part of my eyelid. Make sure you build it up and make it bright to be seen. To make my eyes look bigger and brighter, I am adding golden shimmer eyeshadow on top of my eyelid and blend it with a brown one. I am using my fingers to do so. Now I am taking Insight's cake liner and applying it below my lower lash line. For my eyes, I am taking Elle eyeliner with a paintbrush because we need to make dark, dramatic, elongated eyes. Firstly, line up on your lid. And then make 2 lines straight from the outer corners and then fill it. That's it. After that, I am applying black kohl kajal of brand Nature on my waterline. We need to make really vibrant cheeks with a vibrant color. So I'm using this L'Oreal blush and applying it a bit extra to make a beautiful effect on my face. Blend it well with a brush. For giving my face a nice shimmery glow, I am using this highlighter palette. I am taking the golden shade and applying it on the highest part of my face. I'm wearing a nice long bindi, and for my lips I'm applying a cream matte of Lakme. And then for the better finish, I'm applying a liquid matte lipstick of brand Waywac. And I'm done. Here's my complete look.